Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your pitch deck in Google Slides with brand consistency step by step clearly. Open your pitch deck in Google Slides. Identify your brand's core colors, fonts, and logos. Navigate to the slide menu at the top. Select Edit Master to access the master slide. In the master slide view, update the fonts to match your brand standards. To change the fonts, highlight the text box and select the font from the toolbar. Next, change the colors of any text or backgrounds. Use the Fill Color tool to apply your brand colors. For consistency, update all elements on the master slide. Now return to the regular slide view. Review each slide to ensure brand elements are correctly applied. Check that logos are in the correct position on every slide. Adjust alignment and placement as necessary. Look for any charts or graphs and update their colors to match your brand palette. Use the format options to ensure graphs are visually appealing. If your pitch includes images, replace any outdated visuals with brand-approved images. Ensure images are high quality and relevant to your presentation. Review the flow of your slides to maintain a logical progression. Make sure that all information presented aligns with your brand messaging. Once you've completed your updates, go through the pitch deck one final time. Check for any spelling or grammatical errors. Finally, save your updated pitch deck. You're now ready to present your cohesive and brand-consistent pitch deck. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.